In today's video, I'll be showing you how to take a screenshot on your Android phone. So I'll be showing you two methods in which you can take a screenshot. So the first is taking a normal screenshot. So that's using the side key and volume down button at the same time. So side key, volume down, press, and you'll see the thumbnail of the taken screenshot. So if you want to edit it, you can just tap on the thumbnail and use this toolbar at the bottom and at the top of the screen to edit it to your liking. So you can, screenshot, and then you can customize it however you like. So if you just want something like that, and then you can add some text. And then you can change the font size of the text to whatever you'd like, change the text color. And then tap on an empty space and move the text around on the screen. Then when you're happy with how it looks, you just tap on save and it will be saved to your gallery. However, there's an option of taking a scrolling screenshot. So if you have a full web page like this, and you want to take a scrolling screenshot, so you want to take a screenshot of the full page all the way to the bottom, what you want to do is start by taking a normal screenshot. So side key, volume down, so press, and then select capture more. Then from here, you'll be able to select how long you want the web page to be. And in order for you to get the full web page, make sure that everything has loaded and not just the first part. So if it's something like that, you won't be able to get a full page. But if it's loaded all the way to the bottom, then you'll be able to capture the screenshot nicely. And then once you've selected how long you want the page to be, so somewhere around there, I can tap on save to save it to my gallery. So now when you go to your Photos app, and then you select screenshots, or you go to where screenshots are normally saved in, you should see your scrolling screenshot. So now you can share it, edit it, view it through Google Lens or delete it. And you can also see your other previous screenshot. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.